Hey, how's it going? Wednesday, getting ready to go do some flying. I was just about to walk out the door, but just realized I forgot to charge my Fat Shark battery. So we're getting that charged up right now, and we'll be on our way, going to a different buddy's house. Has got about 5 acres in his backyard. Excited to go do that, and I'm gonna see how far. I want to test out the range on the transmitter and drone, see how far it can fly before I lose signal. And other things I'll be working on too, but we'll see how it goes. Just getting back from flying out at my buddy's house with the big yard. Good time, a lot of wind. Little drone was struggling at times, but if I kept it close to the house, I was able to get some flights in. Didn't really work on much today besides just having fun and flying. I need to get a little bit more disciplined and start practicing and get some repetition down. But every time I get out there, it's too much fun just flying around. Plus, nobody wants to practice. Had some good flights under the trampoline, some good crashes, but all in all, pretty good day. All right, till next time. Hey, how's it going? Hello. Hey, what's going on? Hey there, how's it going? Hey, what's going on? Hello, how's everybody doing? Hey, how's it going? Hey, just checking back in. Hello, how's it going? Well, that didn't go very well. Hello. Did you put your... Make any sense? Yeah. Edit, delete, yeah.